Shadows are one of the most powerful tools for making photo bash environments feel grounded and physically believable. Today, how to explore photo bash shadow realism. Start inside Photoshop by creating a new canvas around 3400 by 2000 pixels and importing a landscape or environment image as your base layer. Now add a second object, such as a building, rock, or vehicle, and position it somewhere within the scene. To create a realistic shadow, first duplicate the object layer and move the duplicate underneath the original. Fill this duplicate layer with black using the Fill command, then press